Man, they even tape down the bandage it. Let's see what's in here. I don't know what wheels he gets, but we're about to find out. Kenra, here you go. This is your mess. Huh. I figured to see what you would get. I thought they were black, but I guess not. I don't know why everyone's all freaked out on getting black wheels. Everything people put black wheels on. So this is the niche. I don't even know what model this is. But you got these from Audio City. This is like my third or fourth set of wheels from there now. These are 275, 30, 19. So these are for the rears. And he has 245s on the front. But everything is balanced and mounted, and we get hardware with it too. Well, all these need is a good cleanup, and then they're ready to be put on the car. Hey Kenra, come clean your freaking wheels. Packed up and ready to be cleaned up. But I'm left to clean up all the garbage. Ain't that a bitch? Welcome back, guys. I know I haven't put out any videos in the last 2 weeks, but I had some family issues I had to deal with, and trust me, my family is more important than you know, anything in the world. So I had to deal with that. Now I'm gonna try and start doing more videos more frequently. Today, we're gonna be putting on that front lip and rear diffuser that we painted for that E60. We have the wheels, we have the diffuser, we have the front lip, we have the exhaust. Just a matter of time getting them on. So today, you're gonna meet the owner of the E60. We're gonna put the front lip and the rear diffuser on, see how it looks, and then we're gonna have to schedule an appointment to do the exhaust, because I'm not doing it. That's custom fabrication and all that stuff that I don't have the tools to do anyway. So we're gonna do this, and then he's gonna be all ready for summer. Well, so he thinks. He thinks just that's it and he's done. No, there's always more work to do on the car. That's the problem. There's always something to do. But enough of me. Let's get straight to it. Okay, everyone, meet the owner of the E60. Now, Mr. Kenroy, tell us what's your plan for the car, because it's not mine, so I don't know what the plans are.
Hey everybody, what's going on? I don't know why Franklin is asking me what's the plan for my car, because pretty much from inception, he was pretty much the creator, you know, the person.
Hell no!
Of course, come on, man. You know, but yeah, it's keeping it basic, like nothing over the top. You know, I haven't been in a BMW like for a couple of years now. I was pretty much driving a truck, you know, Audi. So getting back to a BMW, I'm pretty much trying to get back my groove, you know, hanging out with Tuggy, learning a lot. So for this E60, it's an M Sport, and you know, trying to prepare it for the summer. And the concept is pretty much simple. Like we did the black top grills at the front. You know, we got a rear diffuser, a trunk clip. Everything is blacked out pretty much.
Why no carbon fiber?
I don't know. Like it's supposed to be a cost efficient.
Man, stop your talking. This carbon fiber is not expensive anymore.
He knows why. I don't know why you're asking me that question.
But because you're gonna let the people know what's going on.
Why not carbon fiber? To be honest with you guys, I was supposed to go to F.A.T. I didn't, and you know what? I told myself I may drive this car for about 2 years, and then when I do go to a newer version, I'll do the carbon fiber. But I don't want to go I don't want to go buck wild on this.
Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with what you're doing. I'm just asking why the black and not the carbon fiber. The black's gonna look great.
Yeah, I love the black. You know, I love the black.
But black love black.
Yeah, black out black with this. It's almost like our brother car to his car. You know, they kind of have like similar color. You know, color scheme going along, and you know, the black against the gray, which is to me a very manly thing. It should be a good look.
We got an intruder in my garage.
What is that?
What the hell? People are opening up my garage. No, what's going on around here?
Remember the code.
Yeah, I hear this people breaking in my garage. Don't leave him standing. Hey, you're supposed to close back the door, eh? Jesus. Anyways, now I got 2 clowns in here. Time to get to work.
And then wax it. And you know,
Wax only lasts 2 or 3 months. You ceramic coat it with this stuff that he's got here. It lasts a year or 2.
my wires are not. You don't.
No, that's to be honest, wax is old school now. This is the ceramic coating is the way to go. But even, Frank, you see how much sprayable ceramic coat is out now?
Yeah, it's just hitting the market like
They're
crazy.
getting better reviews than this, but we've had this over a year.
I love it. I love using it.
Yeah, but there's one called The Last One, apparently. It's getting the best reviews for shine and hydrophobic properties. So next time we go stage, I have to see.
Yeah, so I'll look here. If I phosphorus, then phosphorus. So. All right, so.
No, put it down. Put it in storage. Oh yeah. You definitely need a put
You missed a good one just now.
Because this is a compressor like.
Everyone said, why do you need a compressor?
So like,
I said, he's always had a compressor. How do you think your parts get painted? I said, he just put a bigger one in there.
There it is, nice and shiny. Oh, you haven't seen these yet, have you?
no, it's looking
The
good.
fun away the fucking camera, you ain't taking any pictures. You only can take pictures when it's on the car. Okay,
It's from a story.
what we're gonna do, flip it over and try to...
No, rest it first, and then we're gonna see how good we can get these to snap in. No, you had it right.
Oh, Jesus. I forgot that goes down there. Oh,
Did you take the clips off the other one?
what clips?
Just put the screws in. Doesn't it have clips for the screws?
Where'd you put it?
The
Why?
diffuser, where you put it?
It's right there.
8 gold rings like I'm shot Shabba ranks. 2 bad bitches like I'm shot Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shot Shabba ranks.
Hey guys, how many people does it take to put on a rear diffuser?
Not 3, we need 2 more.
This is what happens when there is not too many parts available for an E60. You gotta get what you get and hope it fits. Well, look at that. It is on. What do you have to say, Kenroy?
It's looking good.
Huh? What?
I say it's looking good.
Oh, okay. Look at him wiping it down already.
Remember, we have to do these ones here.
And it's raining outside. We just have to do the 2 at the bottom down there.
Unfortunately, it's raining outside.
It's gonna be raining all freaking day, buddy. I got the man over there watching me on my tight pants as he claim it. And look at those motherfuckers over there. He called my pants tight.
Old boy wearing some trendy clothes now, you know?
Now listen to this. Anyways, people, here we go. Lip is about ready to go on. And Mr. over there think we didn't need to take off the bumper. He wanted me to put this on underneath. I don't think so.
Yeah, he's schooling me, guys.
And yeah, you know what? Schooling people is one thing. He don't listen.
Shabba ranks. 2 bad bitches like I'm shot Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shot Shabba.
All right, she is installed and looking good. Oh, can't show the license plate. Not like anyone's gonna come looking for the freaking car. There it is. Looks pretty good. Love the way it looks. Love the way it turned out. Take a lot of, fandangling by Frank and Frank to get it on. While Mr. Kenroy there just
Thanks for the nice finish.
up
guys.
yours.
You guys did a wonderful job.
Yeah, whatever. So now,
PG-13, alright?
now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna bring the car back and put it on, and then we're gonna show you the front and the back, what it looks like and what still has to be done to it. And then Kenroy is gonna go home so I can relax, and Frank can go home and take his puss nap. Well, people, apparently Mr. here wants to put his wheels on at the same time.
Oh my
so
God.
now we're doing wheels, rear diffuser, and front lip. It's all in one video. When we're done with this car, you're never gonna see it again because that's it. It's done.
No, guys, you're gonna see it again.
Shabba ranks.
Now we just have to do the exhaust because you can see one side is missing. And we got some 3.5-inch tips going on here. And this beast is almost done.
Shabba ranks. Shabba ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shot. Shabba ranks. 4 gold chains like I'm shot. Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shot.
So, are you happy with the car or not?
Of course, look at the car. It's fucking awesome, you know?
Well, it's not my car. I can't be happy with your car. You have to be happy with your car. So,
You know I'm excited. Like, you know, like this project is something that was started from October last year. We've just been putting all the parts together, and I mean, it's finally coming to that culmination where it's, you know, we want to see the finished product, and I want to see the finished product, right?
yeah, I know you couldn't wait.
Yeah, but it's not done, people. All right, I just put on the rims just to see the whole look, but after we do the exhaust and the calipers, you know, and you know, final tweaking, then that's it. We're thinking about going with the M5 mirrors also, but that's something to be discussed, right?
Yeah, well, too much money.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, as you hear the man, it's not done yet. There's still more to do, but this video is officially done. So if you're new, consider subscribing. If you like what you see, thumbs up. If you got any questions, let me know, and I'll answer it for him because he won't know what the hell. So you got any question, throw them my way. But that's it for now. So later.